One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture. Let's go. The essence of Rasta culture is of youth, unity and love for all mankind. It's not just a phrase but a way of life. Respect and compassion for others are paramount. Be honest, roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Blessing African heritage, staying connected to one's roots is a big significance. It's about pride, cultural identity, and the spirit of independence. Natural living, ba la 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 la, ba la 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 la. Emphasizing a natural lifestyle. Rastas are aware to be natural, pure and clean. Staying connected to nature and avoiding processed food is essential. Know what I mean? So spirituality and meditation, ba la 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 la. Meditation and prayer are key components. It's about connecting with the divine and finding inner peace. Rastafarianism is not just a religion but a spiritual journey we teach. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture. Let's go. Reggae music, ba la 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 la. Music is the heartbeat of Jamaica. Reggae music plays a significant role in spreading the messages of peace, love and resistance against oppression. The lesson, dreadlocks, ba la 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 la. Wearing dreadlocks is a symbol of Rasta identity and faith. It's a testament to living a natural and spiritual life and wave. Community and solidarity, ba la 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 la. The sense of community is strong, whether it's through gatherings and festivals. Supporting each other and standing together is very vital. Ganja as sacrament, ba la 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 la. The use of ganja is considered a sacred herb that aids in meditation and spiritual insights. It's used responsibly and with reverence to the Most High. Resilience and optimism, ba la 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 la. Despite challenges, there's a prevailing sense of resilience and optimism. The belief in a brighter future and the power of positivity are ingrained in the Rasta mindset. Spiritualism, one love, one heart, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture. Let's go. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. One love, one heart, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture, ba la 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 la. Roots and culture.